Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear Safari history on your iPhone or iPad. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Once you're inside, scroll down and tap on Apps. Now in the search bar at the top, type Safari, and when Safari appears, simply tap on it to open its settings. Inside Safari settings, scroll down until you find the option called Clear History and Website Data. This is the feature that removes all your browsing activity, cookies, and cached files. When you tap on it, your device will show you a few different time range options for deleting your history. You can choose to clear just the last hour, today, and yesterday, or everything. In my case, I'm selecting all history so every bit of browsing data gets removed. After you confirm, your Safari history will be deleted successfully. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support the channel.